sklearn, model selection, predefined split. Description. The predefined split class in scikit-learn sklearn is a cross-validation iterator that allows you to specify custom data splits for your model training and evaluation. Instead of automatically creating folds like other cross-validation strategies, e.g. k-fold, stratified k-fold, predefined split lets you define your own folds based on a predetermined structure or requirements. Inputs. Fold indices: an array of integers representing the fold assignment for each data sample. The value at index I corresponds to the fold index for the ith sample. Negative values indicate that the sample should be excluded from training or testing, while non-negative values indicate the fold index. Outputs. Train and test indices for each fold. The indices are represented as NumPy arrays. Steps. Initialization: create an instance of the predefined split class, providing the fold indices array. Iteration: when used with a model selection method, e.g. grid search CV, the predefined split object iterates through the defined folds. Training and evaluation: for each fold, the model is trained on the data samples corresponding to the train indices and evaluated on data samples corresponding to the test indices. Metrics. Not directly provided by the predefined split class itself. You can use other evaluation metrics from scikit-learn or custom metrics within your model. Selection process. Visualization plots. Not provided by the predefined split class directly. You can use external visualization libraries to create plots based on the model's performance on each fold. Fine-tune parameters. Not directly applicable, as predefined split doesn't involve hyperparameter tuning itself. Uncertainty methods. Not applicable, as predefined split is a cross-validation strategy and doesn't offer uncertainty estimation directly. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: incorrect fold assignment. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: if you provide incorrect fold indices, the resulting splits might not reflect your intended data division. Fixes to challenge 1: double-check the fold indices array to ensure that it correctly assigns each data sample to the appropriate fold. Verify the alignment between the data samples and their corresponding fold indices. Challenge 2: uneven fold sizes. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: if the fold sizes are significantly different, it can lead to biased model evaluation. Fixes to challenge 2: consider adjusting the fold indices to create more balanced fold sizes, ensuring that each fold has a reasonable number of data samples. This can help reduce the potential for biased evaluation.